Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove text from a video on the VN Video Editor app. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor and I'm going to create a new project on the VN Video Editor app. Okay, and since we want to edit video, we need to select the video based. And then I'm going to choose a video I want to remove a text from. I'm going to select the video and then I'm going to choose a video from one of my folder in my gallery. Wait guys, I'm still looking for the folder. Okay, this one. I'm going to remove text from this video. For example, I'm going to add this video to my project. Okay, this is the tags I want to remove, and then I'm going to duplicate this video guys. We can click on the video until this option appear on our screen, and then we can select duplicate, and then I'm going to make it as an overlay. But wait, I'm going to place this further right here, and then I'm going to scroll all the way to the right and select forward to make it as an overlay. Okay, and then I'm going to click on the fill to fit the screen. Wait, sorry, we can click on the fill or fit. Okay, make sure you select the second video. Okay, and then we're going to use mask to remove the text from our video. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find mask, and you can choose the type of the mask you want to apply, and I'm going to apply rectangle mask. Okay, then we can adjust the size of the mask and then take another part of your video to cover the text. Okay, I'm just going to take this part. Okay, and then I'm gonna click on this check mark and we can cover the tags with the mask. Okay, now it's done guys, and to make it more natural we can apply folder or adjustment. So I'm gonna go to the folder menu and then I'm going to select adjust, and I'm going to adjust the brightness a little bit. Yeah, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the text has been removed from my video, and I'm going to play the video to show you the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove text from video on VN Video Editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.